1967 Mustang Coupe. Go ahead, start it. Headers, Edelbrock Performer intake, Edelbrock carburetor. Intake and carburetor look pretty new. Alternator looks brand new. Optima battery. Ugly detail work under the hood. San Jose car, sold in LA. Rust bubble right there, which is common. Rev it a couple times. Smokes a little bit. Original California black license plates, tags up to date. Shut up, yeah, shut off. One repaint since new. Air conditioning car originally. 86,800 original miles. Aftermarket radio. There's some floor pan pieces that come with it there. There's the heater box. Original rear quarters on the car. Rear frame rails are really nice. The only Bondo in the car is right here, front lower corner, passenger door, where it's rusted out in that corner, which is common. Driver's door, lower corner, has a little bit of bubbling light. Obviously needs a paint job, needs some cowl repairs. It's got a nice power rack and pinion steering setup on it, with Wilwood disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors. Bumpers need re-chromed. Glass is good. Wheels are ugly. Might have some minor electrical issues, not sure. You may call me if you have any questions, 714-757-8437. Thank you.